Hello! Welcome to Miki's kitchen. Today I'm gonna make deep fried scabbard fish with lemon flavoring. Last time I made the dish seasoned with soy sauce, and today I'm gonna use lemon juice and make the same thing with a different flavoring. Each of these has a unique flavor, so I hope you'll try both of them. Well, let's get started. First, grate garlic and ginger into a bowl. Next, add sugar, salt, sake, and lemon juice. Then sprinkle black pepper and basil powder. Then put scabbard fish in the bowl. Then let it rest for more than 3 hours. Now heat vegetable oil to around 160 degrees centigrade. Coat the scabbard fish with potato starch and deep fry. Deep fry for about 5 minutes. It's a kind of long time to make the bones soft. Okay. Then sprinkle salt and pepper as you like. Now place shredded cabbage and carrot. And serve the scabbard fish. Okay, that's it. It's time to eat. いただきます。It's so delicious. The lemon and basil flavor is very good. You should try it. Well, see you next time.